Today's hack is webinars. And I love webinars. I use so many webinars in our marketing, it's not even funny. I started doing webinars way back when, 10 years ago, but people weren't doing any webinars, right? It wasn't very common. Now we've taken to the extent that we were doing 3 live webinars a week. Imagine filling up 3 webinars a week. People used to call me crazy. But let me tell you why I did it, because it worked. Every single call that I had after they watched my webinar, they actually became a customer. I wasn't doing automated webinars or fake webinars with like fake comments and things like that. I did genuine live webinars where they saw there was only other 5 people or 7 people or 12 people. It was honest. It was exactly what you should be doing. It was on Zoom. There's no lie. The fact of the matter is I was speaking to 6 people or 12 people or 15 people. I had 35, 40 sometimes, depending on the week. And if I skipped a couple of days, they would just jam up, right? It was like the thing on our website. If you go to our website, you have to schedule a live webinar because we didn't want to take a single unqualified meeting with people that just didn't know what we did. That's what we did at Clickx. And so today, I've now taken it to another level. I just pre-recorded one and they can watch it on demand. They're not live, but that enables me to scale my time. But I want you to know webinars are powerful. If you have an amazing niche and an offer and a product that you know that you can solve hundreds, if not thousands of people's problem, you need them to hear your brand. You want to hear exactly how you're going to solve their problem. So the way that I've done is I have a whole entire process behind webinar. I talk about the pain, I talk about the solution, I talk about the price, how to get started. As much information I can give, that's going to take away a lot of time for my sales team. So when they take a sales calls, they're ready to go, right? They're like, I know you guys do this, this, and this. I just wanted to know more about this one piece that wasn't covered in the webinar. How much is it? Where is it? How do I sign up? And they would become a partner instantly. So I wouldn't put this in the growth hacks if it didn't work. This is one of those growth hacks where most agencies just don't do it. I don't know why, but you're listening to me. I want you to start taking advantage of webinars and start scaling your agency today. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.